Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start now. You removed laces and insoles, so the mesh is accessible and won't warp. Rinse lightly with lukewarm water to loosen surface grime, because excess scrubbing on dry mesh causes fraying. Once wet, apply a small amount of mild detergent mix, 0.5 cup water ratio, using a soft bristled brush and short strokes. This lifts dirt without damaging fibers. Make sure to work in one small section at a time so cleaner doesn't saturate glue seams. Continue methodically. For stubborn stains, dab a bleach-free stain remover onto the spot and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. This softens set and grime. Then, with a soft brush, use gentle circular strokes to lift the stain. Aggressive motion can widen mesh holes. Make sure to blot, not rub, with a microfiber cloth to remove loosened dirt and excess solution. Once sections look cleaner, rinse under low-pressure water and inspect. Repeat spot treatment only if necessary. Finish by removing most moisture with a towel, then stuff the shoe with plain paper. Avoid newspaper ink to maintain shape and wick dampness. Air dry at room temperature away from sunlight. Heat or dryers can melt glue and yellow the midsole. Once dry, recheck seams and mesh integrity and reinstall laces and insoles. Troubleshooting tip. If the mesh still shows discoloration after cleaning, try a color-safe sneaker cleaner on a hidden area first. If fibers fuzz, trim sparingly or consult a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.